Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Bella of Glam Addicto. Glam Addicto is my brand name. So I'm into hair coloring, wigging, revamping, and everything about hair. So in today's video, I will show you guys how I got this blend mix, because I'm calling this for a client of mine who is into braided wigs, and her client wants it to match with her hair because the lady has a gray and also have a black hair color. So this is what the blend looks like. This is the extension she's going to use. This is what it looks like. So she wants me to get this with a closure. The closure is just a 4x4 closure, blonde in color. Let me show you guys what it looks like now. So this is what it looks like. This is the color. So we are going to work with this. Please, if you're into coloring or you want to learn, and please subscribe, click the notification bell to get notified whenever I post videos. If you're interested in all this kind of hair coloring, wigging, laundry, revamping, I do all those things and I do it here. So please keep watching and make sure you like and share this video. If you have anything to ask me or say to me, you can just leave a comment down there in the comment section. All right, let's get right into this. So for this color, I'll be using the Adore Dye 155 number. I couldn't get the Adore Jet Black. I couldn't find it, so I'll be using the Crocet. I'll be mixing the black and yellow substance together. I'm using my mixing bowl, and I'll be using this combs and the brush. I had to use the Got2b free spray to spray on the lace to prevent the lace getting stained. So I wrapped my canvas with a red paper bag just to prevent it from getting stained. Then I'm using my T-pin to pin down the closure. So I'm just going to divide the hair, and here I'm just showing you guys the weaving method that I'm going to do normally, but I will not do it from the back. I'm going to do it from the front. But from the back, what I'm just going to do is I will take a little piece, color it gray, then take another piece and color black. That's what I'm going to do. That's the method I'll be using for the back. Then when I get towards the front part of the closure, I'm going to do my threading method or weaving method, whatever. I don't know what most people call it, threading method. Most people call it weaving method. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to mix my Adore dye with my conditioner. I'll mix it together. Then this is the mix, guys. Then after that, I'll just continue the process. So I'm applying the Adore dye that I mixed, the gray. I'm applying it now to the hair. This is the little piece I took. As you can see, guys, this is why I need the brush and the comb. Then after doing this, I'm going to take another piece, same size as this one I have here. I'm going to dye it black, and I will keep doing this until I get to the end. Then, like I said, when I get to the front part of the closure, I'm just going to do a weaving method or thread method, however you call it. So sorry guys, my ring light was bending my camera. I did not really take note that it was not tight. I didn't tighten the knot, so that was why it kept on doing this, so I apologize for that. So guys, I went ahead to use my tissue paper to hold this head down to separate it from each other so that they won't get stained. Yeah, because you don't want the black mixing up with the gray, you know. You can use foil if you want to. You can use any coloring paper available you can find in your store, any store. So yes, this is what I'm doing, and this part I'm coloring now, I'm coloring black. Then the other part my yellow clip is holding down, I'm going to color it gray. Yeah, all gray. Mind you, in this front part, I use the threading method to divide my hair. Yes, remember I said that earlier that I was going to use the threading method once I get to the front part. So yeah, that's what I did. So guys, this is it. This is what it's looking like. I'm done. As you can see the gray, you can see the black. Every bit of the color is in there, the mixing, and in fact this is just what I wanted. It came out nice, guys. So what I'm going to do now is just to wash it with my shampoo and conditioner. As you can see, the lace is not stained. Once I wash it, you're going to see that the lace wasn't stained at all. It wasn't. So I'm just going to wash this and air dry it. So guys, here this is my client working behind the scene. She's working on it now. As you can see, the colors are so good together. Like, it blended so well, guys. It did blend so well. The name of my client is Fluffy Hairs. They're in Abuja. You can check them out on Instagram. They make good braided wigs. They deliver worldwide in case if you want it anywhere you are in the country and also anywhere you are in the world. So yeah, this is the finished look, guys. Alright guys, please subscribe to my channel, make sure you like and share this video, and please do follow me on my Instagram page. Bye.